Furnished condo in Lakewood Ranch is available for immediate occupancy. Located close to everything that Lakewood Ranch has to offer: restaurants, shopping, hospital and LWR Main Street. This is the Victorian floor plan, totally open and inviting. There are many custom features throughout, including tray ceilings in foyer, master bedroom and great room, crown moldings, 5.5 inches baseboards, recessed lighting, 42 inches solid wood cabinetry in kitchen and baths, granite countertops and pantry. Customized Hunter Douglas window treatments add to the decorator touches throughout. There is access to the covered lanai overlooking a peaceful preserve from the sliders off the great room and from the owner's suite. The bedroom is carpeted and nicely appointed with 2 separate closets. The bath has a double sink vanity, designer mirrors, walk-in shower and soaking tub. Included in the unit is a separate laundry room. This condo has 2 under-building secured parking spaces and a separate storage unit. Community amenities include a sparkling clear pool, fitness center, and clubhouse.